Gulbast. Women produce fabric under the name Gulbast. They take small knots from multicolored powders, then blot fabric in liquid weight. Fabric will dry. The result truly strikes a look. This art from time immemorial still develops in the ancient city of Kulob. We are proud of our culture. Chakan, Tajik national dress. Chakan is the Tajik women's dress in the truth, which has a 1,000-year history. Chakan is generally women's dress which put on in holidays and is one of the most beautiful clothes of Tajik people. It's necessary to note that who puts on Chakan means him greatness about recognition of the Tajik culture, ideality, femininity, sufficiency and decency. Chakan does the Tajik girls even more beautifully. We respect our cultures and proud of it.